Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through creating a stunning wedding invitation using Canva. Whether you're planning your own wedding or helping a friend, this tutorial will walk you through each step to design a beautiful and personalized invitation. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First, head over to canva.com and log in. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. Select Custom Size and set the dimensions to 5 inches by 7 inches, which is a standard size for wedding invitations. Ensure the units are in inches. Click Create New Design and you have a blank canvas ready to go. Let's start by setting a romantic tone with the background. Click on the canvas, then on the color tile at the top left. Choose a soft pastel color like blush pink or ivory to give it that elegant feel. For added texture, go to Elements, search for watercolor texture, and select a subtle design. Adjust its transparency to around 20% to keep it light and airy. Now, let's embellish the invitation with some floral elements. In the Elements tab, search for floral border or flower bouquet. Choose illustrations that match your color scheme. Place the floral designs at the corners or edges of the invitation to frame your text elegantly. Remember, less is more, keep it balanced and not too crowded. Time to add the essential details. Click on Text, then add a heading. Type in the names of the couple, for example, Emma and Liam. Choose a stylish script font like Great Vibes or Alex Brush to make it stand out. Next, add a subheading with the invitation line, such as Request the honor of your presence at their wedding celebration. Use a classic serif font like Libre Baskerville for readability. Then, add the event details. Ensure each section is clearly separated and aligned properly. If you'd like to add a personal touch, consider including a photo of the couple. Click on Uploads, then Upload Media, and select your image. Once uploaded, drag the photo onto the canvas. Use frames from the Elements tab to place your photo in a stylish shape, like a circle or heart. Position it thoughtfully so it complements the overall design. Once you're satisfied with your designs, it's time to save and share them. Click on Share at the top right, then Download. For printing, select PDF Print to ensure high quality. If you're sending digitally, choose PNG or JPEG format. You can also share the design directly via email or social media by clicking on Share and selecting your preferred method. If you're printing the invitations yourself, use high-quality cardstock, preferably 80 pounds or higher for a professional feel. Ensure your printer settings match the paper size and quality. It's a good idea to print a test page first to check alignment and colors. Alternatively, you can use professional printing services. Canva offers printing options, or you can download the design and take it to a local print shop. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted wedding invitation made entirely in Canva. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to create your own personalized invitation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing!